Hello friends, once again welcome back in my YouTube channel Horticulture with Kripa Shankar. Today I want to share the general agriculture portion of extension. I want to share each and every portion of the general agriculture. So firstly I select the extension. So the first question is, extension is derived from the Latin word, and Dr. J.P. Liggins, known as father of extension, he is from USA, and Dr. K.N. Singh, he is known as father of extension in India, and James Stewart, he is from England and known as father of university education, and Keynes, he is known as father of modern extension. Extension means bridge the gap between research center and farmers, that is agricultural extension. This is the two-way flow of message, and extension work first started in crop science. This question is asked in BHU 2010. What is the basic concept of extension? That is education, and extension education is non-formal education and it is applied science and art. Extension is applied science and art. This question asked in BHU 2010. Extension teaching is horizontal. This is also important question, and term learning by doing was coined by John Dewey. Teaching step that is EDICAS. This question is asked in BHU 2016. What is the means of EDICAS? EDICAS means A stand for attention, I interest, D desire, C conviction, A action, and S means satisfaction. This is the series of teaching. Another one is element of adoption process, that is EDMA. EDMA means this is adoption process is classified on the basis of innovation. This question is also asked in BHU 2018. EDMA means innovation, diffusion, motivation, and adoption. There are many categories of adopter. In Indian constant, 2.5% are innovators. Early adopter 13.5%, early and late majority 34%, and laggard is 16%. Another one is 5 phase of extension education was given by J.P. Liggins, that is Sutter. Sutter का means क्या है? Sutter means situation, objective, teaching, evaluation, and reconsideration, that is Sutter. Next topic is communication. Communication is a Latin word. Communication means transfer an idea, skill from one person to another person. This is also two-way, means stimulus and response. Communication and following elements like knowledge, generating, system, disseminating, and consuming. And each of three pair is made as KGS. KGS means knowledge generating system like university and research institute, knowledge disseminating system like mass media, government agency, also universities, and knowledge consuming system, that is KCS. Knowledge consuming system, mostly farmers come under knowledge consuming system. There are some models which is given by different scientists. Aristotle model have 3 elements, that is speaker, speech, and audience. In another term, it is expression, interpretation, and response. This question is asked in BHU 2018. Some other model given by different scientists like SAMCDR. SAMCDR means communication source, E means encoder, M means message, C channel, D decoder, and R receiver. This model is given by Barlow, which is called as Barlow model, that is SAMCDR. Paul Liggins model, that is CMCTAR. CMC means C means communicator, message, channel, treatment, audience, and response. These are some different communication models which is given by different scientists. What is the channel? Channel means physical bridge between sender and receiver, that is channel. And most important element of communication is, that is receiver. Non-verbal communication like multimedia communication, and communication is both verbal and non-verbal process. This question is asked in BHU 2018, that is communication is verbal and non-verbal. There are different type of communication. First one is individual contact method of communication. This is individually and face to face. Method of teaching is called result demonstration, like personal contact, phone call, farm and home visit. These are the examples which is come under the individual contact method. Another one is group contact method, in which 2 to 30 persons are needed. This is the concept of seeing is believing and skill improvement. This is the only method in which teaching perfect, which is method demonstration. Example of method demonstration, and most influence type of demonstration is method demonstration. Under this, conference, symposium, discussion, school and seminars occur. Mass content means more than 30%. More useful for making people aware of new agriculture technology quickly, and their example is most important, like television and radio, Kisan Mela. Radio and television is asked in exam. This is which type of communication? So this is mass content type of communication. What is the diffusion? Diffusion means newness of the technology. Diffusion process means spread of a new idea from invention to its ultimate user or adopters. Innovation means an idea, practice or object that is perceived as new by an individual or other unit of adoption. Same definition is asked in BHU 2018. So you need to clear each and every aspect of the different definition and their processes which is asked in exam. Reinforcement of an innovation decision making occur at, that is, confirmation stage. What is the adoption process? Adoption process means mental process through which an individual passes from hearing about an innovation to final adoption. What is innovativeness? Innovativeness is a degree to which an individual is relatively earlier in adopting new idea than other member of a system. That is innovativeness. Adoption of an innovation over time follow a normal bell-shaped curve. This question asked in BHU. And when S-shaped curve is formed, S-shaped curve rises slowly when there are few adopters. So please clear bell-shape and S-shaped curve and when they are formed. Venturesome, first people to adopt a new idea, that is venturesome, and last people to adopt a new practice, that is laggard. Innovator have a silent feature associated with them, that is venturesome. This question asked in BHU 2018. What is the demonstration? Demonstration, learning by doing and seeing is believing, and this is derived from the Greek word. And further of method demonstration is Dr. Seaman and Knapp. Result demonstration means doing by believing. Front line demonstration, this question asked in many times. Front line demonstration is the demonstration conducted by research worker in farmer field. This question is also asked in BHU 2018. What is entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a person and it is derived from the French word. This question also asked in BHU 2016, and term entrepreneur first time used by Richard Cantillon. Entrepreneur regarded as a person, and a farmer can become an entrepreneur by considering his farm as a business operation, and entrepreneurship is an activity. What is assimilation? Assimilation means a social process through cultural difference between two or more societies disappear and develop a common culture is called assimilation. Please clear assimilation, acclimatization and different processes which is a common term used in extension education. Similarly, those questions asked in BHU exam. So thank you friends. Please like, share, comment and keep touch with us our channel, because in next video I upload the different developmental program from pre-independence era to till now. Thank you friends.